fantastic day on the lawns of Raj Bhavan today. Your father sworn in as 25th Chief Minister of Karnataka.
Yes, we're very grateful. Grateful for the people of Karnataka.
Well, he's a youth icon. Finally, the High Command has conceded. Last 6 months, there was so much of speculation on the power shift. As a daughter and also as a person who's been running the social media campaign for your father, how do you feel about it?
No, let me correct you. I've not been running social media campaign for my father. I've just been a proud daughter.
Okay.
I think I've learned a lot from him. My father always says that when leadership comes, it's a lot of responsibility.
Yeah.
I think the responsibility has increased 10x or 100x today because it's the responsibility of the people of Karnataka. So I really pray to the Almighty that the Almighty gives my dad the strength, the wisdom, and the purity with which we can serve the people right. It's not about power, it's about what you make with that power. And I'm sure he'll make the best with that power and people will be happy 2 years from now re-electing him to see Congress come back to power. It's the vision of the Congress to elect a youth leader like him today. And I hope they've given us the responsibility and we will fulfill it with utmost sincerity.
You have a special bonding with your father.
Every daughter has a great bonding with her father and I have the same. But as I'm the biggest critic to my father, but also the greatest supporter. So I think that's what's my job as a daughter.
What does he say or think about the vision for Karnataka? In short, if you want to say.
I think we didn't have the time to discuss that in the last 2 days, but whenever I get the time and I know it, I'll definitely call you back and tell you. Thank you so much. And thank you to the entire media for showcasing him in the right way. And I hope you'll support us in the same way forward as we serve the people of Karnataka. Thank you.
Very happy. You're very happy that D.K. Shivakumar has become Chief Minister. You stood by him through and through. Last 6 months, there's entire speculation was happening, and finally, he's been sworn in as the 25th Chief Minister of the state. What do you feel about it? What's your first feeling?
I'm feeling happy. Let him do all the best to the people of Karnataka.
Okay. And what is his vision? He keeps discussing with you. What is it?
He'll do all the best. Whatever he has to do, whatever he has kept in his mind, he'll do all the types of work he'll do to the best of people of Karnataka.
He will not be giving much time to you now that
I know
he's
that
become
is there.
Chief Minister.
That is there from the past 30 years.
Yeah. All right.
Thank
you so much. One bite that we take. Gently. Just Bishop. One bite that we take. Gently. Just Bishop. One bite that we take. Gently. Just Bishop. One bite that we take. Gently. Just Bishop.
ಮಾನ್ಯ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರು ಈಗ ಪದವಿಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಪದ ಹಾಗೂ ಗೌಪ್ಯತಾ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ವಚನವನ್ನು ಬೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಾನು ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಎಂಬ ಹೆಸರಿನಾದ ನಾನು ಕಾನೂನು ಮೂಲಕ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿತವಾದ ಭಾರತದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಜವಾದ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಷ್ಠೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೇನೆಂದು ನಾನು ಭಾರತದ ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮತ್ವವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಅಖಂಡತೆಯನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತೇನೆಂದು ಮತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವನ್ನು ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅಂತಃಕರಣಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆಂದು ಭಯ ಅಥವಾ ಪಕ್ಷಾತೀತವಲ್ಲದೆ ರಾಗ ದ್ವೇಷವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಗೆಯ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಸಂವಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನೂನಿಗೆ ಅನುಸಾರವಾಗಿ ನ್ಯಾಯಯುತವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆಂದು ನನ್ನ ಅಜ್ಜ ಗಂಗಾಧರಜ್ಜನ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಈಗ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ವಚನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಿ ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಾನು ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಎಂಬ ಹೆಸರಾದ ನಾನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಪರ್ಯಾಲೋಚನೆಗೆ ತರಲಾಗುವ ಅಥವಾ ನನಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯದೇ ಬರುವ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮುಕ್ತ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಅಗತ್ಯವಾಗುವುದೆಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಅನಾತ್ಯ ಯಾರೇ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಬಹಿರಂಗಪಡಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ನನ್ನ ಅಜ್ಜನ ವೀರ ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಅಜ್ಜರ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೂಗುಚ್ಛೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುವ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಮಾನ್ಯ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ